If you're one of those people that is not yet on YouTube, this video is for you. Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about helping you to, what I want to do is actually share with you a couple of ways that you can get on YouTube and not have to get in front of the camera. You don't even have to do a voiceover if you don't want to. I would recommend a voiceover. I would recommend getting in front of the camera, but I know for a fact that at least based on the research that I've done, people that are not getting on YouTube, or they simply don't want to, and the fact is that they need to be on YouTube. And I think if you're not on YouTube and you're watching this, I think you'll agree that, yeah, I should be on YouTube, but I don't want to get in front of the camera. That's the ultimate. Some people might think it's too technical. Fortunately, that is dead wrong. The tools that you need you probably already have them. And the technology that you need is fortunately zilch. You don't need to be technological anymore. You don't have to know a whole lot. There are some things that certainly help. It's nice if you know about lighting and audio and so on. But what is most important is content, content, and content. So content will trump all. Content is still king. If you make good videos with good content, they're going to do what you want to do, what you want them to do. Now, if you want to use videos to grow a YouTube channel, you can do that, and you don't have to get in front of the camera. And Brightside is a fantastic example with 2.6 or 8 million subscribers and thousands of views per hour. So, and they don't get in front of a camera. They do voiceover. They don't get in front of a camera. You don't even have to do a voiceover. Anyway, that's what this video is all about. It's about helping you, sharing with you some ways that you can make videos and not get in front of a camera. The first tool that I would recommend is a tool called Adobe Spark. This is an online. There's quite a few different things that you can do with Adobe from Spark, from building websites and so on. But one of the things that you can do is create what's called a slideshow. And you can do a slideshow very, very easily. Zero technical knowledge. You can do a slideshow. The images that you would need right there in the search box, type in what you need and they'll show up. All those images are free to use. You can just drag and drop or click on the image, and then add your text. What I've done is I've taken us to a video that I've made. I'll give you a link below if you want to visit it. And it's a video that I made with Adobe Spark to show how easy it is to make Adobe Spark. And this video, of course, I didn't have to get in front of the camera, and there was no voiceover. All I did was add music. And everything that I needed was right there in front of me at Adobe Spark. Now, let me take you to Adobe Spark, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So we're at Adobe Spark, and this is just typing in. What I've done is I've inserted an image of food and about dieting, and it's not the way to lose weight. This is more of an attention grabber. But I can go on and add another frame, and a change in lifestyle is more effective, and then another frame, and so on. So I've created my slideshow, then simply download it. Then I can re-upload it or I can upload it to YouTube or any other video channel that I want to. And I've created a video without getting in front of a camera. I can use the microphone if I want to do a voiceover, but I don't have to. I can add music. If you don't do a voiceover, I would recommend that you add music. But I do not need to get in front of a camera, and that's the whole idea. Adobe Spark is an excellent tool. Now, there's two other tools. I'll give you links to those as well. They are free video editors. One is OpenShot. It's totally free, and so isn't Shotcut. They're free video editors that are excellent editors that you can use to create a slideshow. The other way that you can create videos is to take videos from YouTube, for example, there you can use what's called Creative Commons. These are videos that allow you to use them. All you need to do is give attribution. How you do that is you simply go to YouTube, type in whatever you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for food, your weight loss channel, or cooking channel. You can find videos about food or about diet or exercise or whatever you might want to find. And once you find the videos, you click on filters, click on Creative Commons. The videos that come up you're allowed to use those videos with attribution. And I would simply, one little tidbit that I want to add is to check each video under Show More. Make sure when you get down to the bottom it says that it's Creative Commons and it's okay to use the video, which it should say that, but just to be safe. That way you should never have a problem with YouTube, because you kind of covered the bases, you made YouTube happy, and you're making videos without getting in front of the camera. You're making videos without getting in front of the camera. And you can use your own text. You don't need to use text. For example, just recently I created a video about what's called sleepers. These are cars or trucks that are surprisingly fast, and they don't look like it. For example, part of that video was an old farm truck. It's an old pickup truck, and it's doing a wheelie. So, and this is all free to use. I simply typed in sleepers, and used Creative Commons, and first gave attribution to the videos that I did use. So that way, that allowed me to make a video without getting in front of the camera. And these kind of videos can create a lot of traffic. So if you're trying to build a YouTube channel, these can help you get a lot of traffic, as well as get subscribers and build that channel. These are two ways that you can effectively get on YouTube, that you can build your YouTube channel. So if getting in front of the camera is a problem, then get on YouTube and don't get in front of the camera. Just use the ways that I shared with you. Get on YouTube. 50%, over 50% of people that are on the internet, over 50% are using video, no longer text, video. They're getting their information from video. So what that means is that if you're not on YouTube or some type of video channel, if you're not using that, if you're not utilizing that, you're losing over 50% of your market. That's soon to be, supposedly in the next year or two, that's going up to 80%. 80% of the people that are getting their information are going to be getting it from video. So if you're not doing video, you're going to be losing 80% of your traffic. 80%. It's just a good business move to get on YouTube and to get on there now. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.